Here's a look at that quiz problem from section 5.5. We talked about it in class and used our calculator, and then we said that in section 5.6 there was going to be a much easier way to do it. And so what I'm going to do now is just draw a triangle, a right triangle, and with the definition that we have of tangent, let's suppose this is the angle alpha. What I'm talking about in this problem is an angle that has the tangent of 2. And we're supposed to figure out what that angle is and then take its sine. Well, I don't really care what the angle is as long as I know that its tangent is 2. I know that the tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. So I can just pretend that the opposite side is length 2 and the adjacent side is length 1. And of course I didn't draw it very correctly here, because 2 is twice as big as 1, so it should look more like this. But whatever that angle is, I can figure out the length of the hypotenuse. It's the square root of 2 squared plus 1 squared, because those are the sides. So I get the square root of 5. And now the sine of alpha will just be the opposite over the hypotenuse. So 2 square root over the square root of 5. And if I rationalize that denominator, I end up with 2 root 5 over 5, and that's the answer that we wanted, and it's equivalent to the decimal that we got using the calculator method.